In this video, I am going to show you how you can integrate over direct shipping method on your WordPress website. To integrate over direct shipping method, I will use this plugin, and I also suggest you can use this plugin because this plugin offer lots of features. That's why I suggest you. And also we know it is Code Canyon plugin, and we know Code Canyon follow proper coding standard. That's why I suggest you can use this plugin. Let me show you what feature this plugin provide. If we click live preview button, then we can able to see all of features list here. So if you scroll, then you can able to see all. I'll see a live demo. Okay, if I click add to cart, then if I go, then we can able to see a live demo. You can able to see over direct and local pickup. This plugin give two option, over direct and local pickup. So if you need only over direct, then you can only enable it, and if you need over direct and local pickup, then you can enable to as well. So, and you can see also accept and schedule. If only need accept, then you can only just as enable or accept. Everything is a customizable. So I'll show you every later you can how you can enable and disable. And okay, let me show here. Here you can see over direct shipping price. If you change here address, then shipping price will be increased or decreased. And also here tip, and it's come from settings. So if you can configure 3 or 4, any number of you can set here. Okay, and also okay, let me show. If I click schedule, then you can able to see schedule time and date. You can able to select a date. If you want to know more about this plugin, just you read those landing page feature, then you will understand everything. So now I will show you how you can set up this plugin. I will show you step by step. So first you will click add new plugin, then you just upload plugin. So I will upload. Then click active button. As you can see, plugin is activated, and also you can see over direct setting. So before configure over direct setting, first you need to configure WooCommerce basic setting. Otherwise this plugin is not work, so it is mandatory. So okay, let me show what you configure. First you configure address, then you have to provide city and also provide country and also provide a zip code. Then you just click save change button, then it will be finished. After configure WooCommerce general setting, then you just configure over direct general setting. So how you configure? You need to configure customer ID, client secret. So how you get? Okay, let me show you. You just go over direct direct dot over.com. This is over direct developer panel. You just click. When you come here, then you just click developer. After that, you can able to see here customer ID, client ID, and client secret. Then you just copy it and paste it here. Just copy and paste it here. After pasting, then you configure store phone number. It is must be provided, and also provide tip. It is optional. If you want, you can put here or not. If it up to you. Okay. So after configure over direct general setting, then you need to configure pickup schedule. Okay, so I'll show you later. So now I just click save change button. Uh, okay, so after clicking save change button, then you need to configure shipping method. How you can configure? You just go setting, then go shipping option. Uh, you can see here. Yeah, you can able to see over direct delivery and local pickup. Okay, let me delete. Okay, so if I reload a checkout page, mm, here we can able to not see any shipping method because uh, we are not configure any shipping method here, that's why doesn't show it. Okay, so okay, let me configure. You just click add shipping method, then you can able to see over direct. You just click over direct, then continue. So now over direct shipping method is created. So if we reload here, yeah, as you can see over direct shipping method is enabled here. Okay, if you want to enable local pickup, you just click add shipping method, then you just select local pickup and continue and create and save button. After clicking create and save button, then it will enable here. As you can see it here, enable it here. Okay, okay, let me configure over direct other setting. As you can see here, pickup and schedule. For example, Monday your off day, so you can easily disable it. If you disable it, no one able to book Monday. So you can also able to configure opening time and also configure closing time and easily, and also you can see order processing time. So you can able to set any time for order processing. Now I will show how you configure a delivery and pro. So you can able to see accept delivery. If you enable only accept delivery, then you just enable only it. You can click just this checkbox. Okay, so if you want enable schedule, you just click this button, checkbox button. Okay, then it will be enable, and also you can able to set a gap time. And if you want to enable proof, then you just click this checkbox, then proof will be enabled. Everything is super easy. Okay, you can easily configure it. Okay, now I'll show you how you configure webhook. You just copy this link and you just click webhook button and get webhook, and you just paste it here and just click this checkbox. After clicking save button, you will get webhook key. You just copy that key and paste it here. Then over direct configuration will be complete. Now I will show you other process. To show other process, so I need to place order, otherwise I am not able to show you next process. So for that I will place order. So as you can see here the delivery price. So and also you can see tip, able to see tip. So if I click place order button, yeah, the order placed successfully. As you can see, you can able to see order tracking link. Customer easily able to see all details here. Now I'll show you admin panel. If you go order, then if you click see delivery button, you can able to see all list. You can here also see tagging, also see ready time, deadline, delivery, every setting you can able to see. And also you can also able to see tip and also shipping cost. If you click cancel button, then it will be cancel. Thank you for watching my full video. If you need any help, you just message me. I will help you. I give WhatsApp number video description. You just